guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be decluttering sentimental items, and I managed to downgrade most of my sentimental items last year into this bill box, and it's pretty full, so I'm going to see what I can downgrade again. And I'm sorry, my brother's at school, so, and when he's bored, he texts me. And yes, I'm filming in a different location because the cat was playing in the closet. So, and here she is. So hopefully, let's see if we can get this done. Okay. Okay, so this is the inside of the sentimental items box, and it's pretty empty compared to what it was when I went through it. So what I kept was stuff for scrapbooking, which I'll probably never actually put in a scrapbook. I put some birthday cards, a newspaper thing, and then I put my stole from graduating high school, both of my, well, all three of mine, because we got doubles when we graduated high school, and then my college tassel. And then I've got some pictures and some stuff from prom. And that's all I kept.